go off-road. Okay. It's not really made for that.
What is this shit?
Well, yeah, what is that shit? It even makes a toot-toot sound when it goes backwards. Nice. Uh-oh. No, I lost them already! Let's go! How do you honk again? What? Sorry. Toot toot! No! I was trying to find the honk button. G is not it. Ah! Hey, it's such a big aggressive honk! Ow! Wow. That is a big honk. It's like, you know, when you hear VTuber voices and everyone has like, you know, a voice. But then you hear Crony and it's like that, you know? That's the difference between other honks and then this honk. No one noticed I was here nor there. Oh, wee! Alert? Hmm? What? What? It's because I was so shocked because I heard the police siren and then at the same time I hear the sound and it felt like someone shot me. Aww. I thought someone shot me. Terrifying. Do I go in here? Wait, what do we do next?